Mistake number one that you could be doing while applying for internships is not applying for internships at all and waiting for your college, your university, or somebody to come in and help you. Please be self-reliant, and this is not going to work. Mistake number two, you might be applying to companies through internship portals with a CV. Absolutely wrong. Both the parts. I'll tell you where to apply and what to apply with, not with your CV. Mistake number three, you might be applying for internships, but you're not specifying which internship, what role, what industry, and what exactly you would be ending up contributing and learning. Hi, I'm Shreya. I help you get remote jobs, internships, and of course move forward in career. I am a digital nomad and I'm very active on Instagram and YouTube, so make sure that you follow me on all these channels. You're probably hearing let's learn Python, let's learn Java, and all of these buzzwords around you that might help you get that break into industry. But the times have changed, AI is here, and things are getting tougher and tougher. But I'm going to tell you that most of this is noise, especially if you want to get into non-coding roles. Step 1. Do not start with a resume. I know this is very unconventional and we've been told that you have to start with a resume, but because you are still in college, you don't have any professional experience and nothing to show on your resume. So instead, what I would do is that I would pick a role or an industry I'm interested in. For example, maybe you are passionate about e-commerce, or maybe you're passionate about marketing or about content creation. Pick one of these industries or roles and then start creating your profile around it. Next, what I'd do is I would make sure that I'm spending the next few days learning the basics of this certain area. For example, if I want to get into content creation, I would learn what all platforms are there, how do we do scheduling, how does the scripting happen, what is the delivery cycle of any content piece that goes out, etc. For marketing, I would learn to use tools like Google Sheets in a more effective way, and then also Buffer, etc. For operations related roles, I would try to learn Google Docs, Notion, Trello, and all of these other tools. And you don't need a course. You can easily get by with YouTube videos or even free resources, or just by practicing things yourself. Step 2. Create a one-page portfolio. Even if you have zero experience, that's what I would do if I needed an internship in this year. These are the following things that you should be including in your portfolio. Number 1, a mock project. Even if you don't have any experience at all, make up something and show that. Number 2, a short paragraph how you would help a certain company. For example, if you want to get into content creation related companies, then you would help schedule the content or you would help deliver the content. Number 3, links to any public stuff that you might have done in the past. For example, writing a blog, creating a Notion board, creating a content piece, etc. Nobody wants to hire somebody who says, I'm passionate. They want to see what value you can add and what you want to learn when you join that company. Next step is to completely ditch the portals. I do like Internshala at one angle, but there are so many competitors there that it gets very difficult and daunting to even start applying. So what I would rather do is that I would list out 30 to 50 companies in the domain that I want to work in and actively start reaching out to them. I would send them very personalized messages why I want to work with that certain company, what I would help them with, and also what I would like to learn from them. Not just begging for work, but genuinely telling what the relationship between me and the company would look like. I've given a message template here and you can check that out. Next is I would follow this 30-30-30 rule. What I would do is I would spend around 2 hours every day, and 30 minutes of it would include learning the skill that I want to get into. Then next 30 minutes would be applying those skills, and the next 30 minutes would be building something out of it. Do this for 5 days a week and then see how magic happens. If you want, I've put down a free resource in the description below and you can check it out. And remember, internships are not just about begging for work, and they are also not just luck. It is about how you can show up giving value to the company that you want to work with. What role you would want to get into, not make a generic CV with your education background, etc. and send it to all the companies. That is just not going to work. If you're a student or even a fresher who is wanting to get into certain roles, I make weekly videos on this channel and you should definitely subscribe to it if you want to get into non-coding roles. And tell me in the comments what kind of internship are you looking for, and if you want me to check the kind of write-up you're sending for your outreach. See you in the next video.